congratulations Nene for this new endorsement.
Thank you.
How does it feel to be part of the Sisters family?
I'm very happy and honored to be part of it after giving birth. So thank you to Sisters and to Megasong for trusting me with this brand. Siyempre kasi before, sinasabi na pag nagkaanak ka, parang di mo alam kung ano mangyayari sa career mo, magiging nanay ka na lang. But I guess times have really changed and we're really showing people the modern mom and that we can really tackle anything even after giving birth.
And was mentioning kanina yung background products, so baka may dito na share about.
Actually, yung unang product na, tulad ng sabi ni Kuya Jerry kanina, ang unang product na hiningi ko sa Sisters when we sealed the deal was yung menstrual pants nila. Kasi alam ko talaga na yun ang magagamit ko sa hospital after giving birth and parang even a couple weeks after giving birth. Kasi syempre may heavy bleeding pa eh. Especially for those na naging nanay na alam na nila na, shucks, may bleeding, paano ko ba, how will I take care of my hygiene during this time? So it was a really big help for me in the hospital and even after pagka-uwi ko sa bahay.
Satisfied ka sa inquirer mo? Okay. Thank you. Galing sumagot na parang beauty pageant talaga ito winner. Eto, birthday niya. Pero isusurprise namin sa mamaya. Kasal, nasabi ko naman din.
Not just me, it's also Bobby.
Oh, happy birthday also! Thank you for having me on your birthday.
Sabihan mo lang siya diba Miss World Cup. Guys, birthday naman ni Tess, no? Kailangan niyo siyang wag lang niyang agawan ng Sisters Pink ang kanyang dress.
Sisters Pink,
No, but again, congratulations, and you really still have that new mommy glow, and you are beautiful as ever. But what do you think has changed in Megan? Kung iniisip, me, or parang Mikael, ano ba yung kailangan namin as a couple. But I think my awareness, not just for Leon, our baby, but for all the other people around me, has become mas hyper-aware na ako doon. Maybe because during the time nung buntis ako, a lot of people were taking care of me. I really took notice of that and I'm very grateful na sobrang daming tumulong at nag-alaga sa akin noong time na yun. So, gusto kong ibalik yun sa mga tao na nakapaligid sa akin, most especially now. Kasi ang laking tulong nila sa akin na maging healthy, na maging masaya ako during the times na nahihirapan talaga ako sa pagbubuntis ko. And even after yung postpartum, I just want to be able to make sure na I take care even more of the people around me.
So, I mean, I think back in June, there was a video that you guys put up your, I think for your student birth, and tears of joy naman yun, di ba? Some moms, di ba, especially since it's the first, nagkakaroon din ng postpartum depression, because it really is a difficult time, di ba, to adjust. Was there any like, may konting lows din ba, during the first few days because it was such an adjustment that you had to make?
I would say during the first 2 months siguro, naramdaman ko yung intense sadness. Intense sadness, intense emotions, intense happiness. So lahat extreme eh. So hindi ko napipigilan na parang intensely maging masaya ako, so sobrang saya ako, naiiyak talaga ako. Or, hindi naman ako pikon talaga, pero may mga times na, di ba, alam niyo naman si Mikael, sobrang maloko siya, ma-joke siya. Minsan nag-joke siya, pumitin ako sa kanya, sabi ko, di mo ba alam, ganyan. Tapos parang after ko masabi ko, sorry kasi hindi ko talaga napipigilan yung emotions ko. So, thankfully, tinulungan niya ako dun sa pag-process ng lahat ng emotions na yon. Whether extreme happiness, extreme sadness, or extreme anger during those times. So, feeling ko, kaya hanggang mga 2 months lang yung ganong extreme emotions ko because he really helped me process everything I was going through.
And like you said, just to segue into your endorsement, I know it helps, diba, when you are at that stage when everything is new and when you have to take care not just of yourself, but obviously of a little person, that you have all the right things that will help you, even yung sabi mo nga, the mental pull-ups.
Yeah, kasi kailangan
parang yung naiisipin.
Oo parang you need things na makakapagpadali sa buhay mo para at least makapunta ka na sa anak mo, maalagaan mo na siya agad.
totoo pala yun na parang sometimes you tend to forget yourself para alagaan mo yung baby mo. But thankfully, there are products and newer products that are coming out na parang mom-focused or parang gearing towards moms nowadays.
Because there are always the, two special people when it happens, right? So
Yeah.
you give birth, the baby and sabi nga nila, birthdays din daw is the
Yes.
celebration of the mom.
Of
So,
course.
diba? Because, so, we celebrate you and we celebrate the coming of your new baby. And congratulations. We look forward. I'm sure they're gonna ask when we'll see you again. In shows, but I'll leave that question to them. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you so much.
Birthday niya kaya ako siya magsona. Okay, dito ang aking kambal. Ang gwapo-gwapo si Iwang ng Manila Standard.
Thank you. Again, Megan, congratulations sa endorsement. We understand that kapag naging mother ka na, nag-iba yung priorities in life, of course. But then again, we still find time to prioritize ourselves. Diba? Ikaw ba, paano nagbago, or have you found other ways to prioritize yourself? Just, masabi nga nila, you cannot give something na wala ka.
Yeah.
So, how do you parang manage that?
If I'm going to be very honest, nung umpisa talaga, hindi ko naalagaan yung sarili ko. And that's one thing na I'm grateful again for my husband, si Mikael. Kasi lagi niya ako pinapaalala, ano yung gusto mong gawin? Ano yung gusto mong gawin para sa sarili mo? Or, mag-gym ka today, di ba gusto mong mag-gym? Kasi feeling niya, na-overwhelm ako minsan sa lahat ng responsibilities as a mom. Na sabi niya, huwag po kalimutan yung sarili mo, Bones. Alam ko gusto mo gawin to. Ako lang bahala dito. So, having that reassurance from him helps me parang get out of that zone and out of that mom guilt na, parang team naman kami dito as husband and wife. Dapat hati din kami sa responsibilities. So, minsan, I wouldn't say na pinagdadamot ko, pero parang I guess it's like a mom thing na parang you just wanna be in charge of everything. Na ako na bahala dito, kaya ko na to. Pero dapat matutunan ko rin na hindi, kaya rin naman ni Mikael to. Kahit na-injured siya ngayon, kaya niya yan. So, the things that I've been able to do for myself is, one, I'm able to work out now that na-clear na ako ng doctor ko. So even walking for 30 minutes in a day, sobrang happy na yun sa system ko, and it makes me feel so much better just having a 30-minute walk. And then, nakakapag-nails na ako. Kaya, mga maliit na bagay, nails, manicure, pedicure, these are little things na parang add up and make you feel so much better about yourself na, naalagaan ko rin yung sarili ko. So I feel better carrying myself through the day and taking care of my baby later on.
And also, they say na kapag naging parent ka na, there are things that you discover in yourself na you didn't know na you're capable to do pala. Meron ka bang mga ganun?
Yes. Mga bagay na hindi ko alam na kaya ko. I always say na I feel like I'm a strong follower. Ibig sabihin na, syempre there are other people that are great leaders, di ba? Minsan feeling ko hindi ako masyadong leader, and I feel like that's more Mikael in the relationship. But I think throughout this journey and this year, especially after na-injure si Mick, parang feeling ko mas naging leader ako, and I didn't know na kaya ko pala mag-lead ng family namin, mag-lead dun sa mga gagawin namin. And I feel very proud to say that kasi it's not something na akala ko kaya ko gawin.
And finally, how does it feel, to be part of a brand na nakaka-resonate sa, women like you?
I'm very honored, honestly, to be chosen as their newest ambassador because it's a brand that is trusted by Filipinos, and I want to make sure that I work with brands that I truly believe in and that I know that I will love using, I will love sharing with family and friends. And I guess testament na rin to dun sa mga friends and family namin, even yung management namin, alam nila yan na kung meron ko yung product, share talaga namin. And we want to make sure na happy kami sa paggamit, happy din yung mga tao sa paligid namin sa paggamit.
Thank you.
Ganda din ang tanong niya, oh. Ito na, from our kapuso,
Gaming Network.com, si Nerissa Alma.
Hello.
Itong bagong endorsement mo, part ba ito na pagbabalik mo na ng showbiz after giving birth?
We'll see. Syempre, ang last project ko yata with GMA was Royal Blood. Tapos, si Mikael kasi mag-running man din siya after Royal Blood. But then I got pregnant kasi after that eh. So, right now, let's see, if there's a great project up ahead, why not, diba? We're always open to working on new projects. And, you know, syempre, we also have like a new brother in show business. So, it'd be cool to work with Emilio, maybe Lauren, kung babalik siya. So, it's fun that we actually have family in the business with us as well. Kasi dati, parang we just Mikael or like me and Lauren. So, masaya na kayo doon. We'll see. But for now, content muna habang wala pa. And enjoy naman namin yung pagka-content natin.
Talking about that, parang napag-usapan niyo na ba din kayo paano yung magiging dynamics mo in case na gusto mo na bumalik sa akin?
I think for now, dapat may isang parent na maiwan kay Leon. So kung may isa na magtitipid, may isa dapat na nandoon para nakabantay. Kasi one thing that we want is, yung paglaki ni Leon, dapat talaga may isang magulang doon na hindi nakaasa lang sa help na nandun. We're very lucky na meron kami kasama sa house, meron din kami yaya na tumutulong kay Leon. But parang secondary na lang. Dapat parang they are there to help us in times that we need an extra hand. Hindi yung nakaasa lang kami.
And lastly, kasi before giving birth to Leo, parang alam ng fans na kayo together, lagi kayo yung Mikael at yung mother, parang has it changed na nung dumating sila yun? Or paano nyo nagagawa yung time na together?
Mas sa bahay lang kami, to be honest. Bahay lang muna, team bahay. Sino pa ba dito team bahay? Mga introvert. Mga team bahay muna kami for now. So yung mga movie nights namin, naging Netflix nights. We have weekends where we spend time with friends and family. Pero minimal na lang siya. Ang wish ko is makapag-travel kami soon. Dahil may passport na si Leon. So pwede na siya mag-travel. Wala nang travel pa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
At masagot na yung itatanong dapat ni G. Trillanes. G, in behalf of Nerissa, masagot na niya. Yung bonding time daw ninyo. Yes. Si Ate G.